Hi, my name is Peter, and today I'll be teaching you on how to take a payment and update APay information. A little about myself is I was originally born in Poland. My favorite thing about Insight is the family-like atmosphere and fun. My least favorite bug is spiders. My solution would just be to set everything on fire, including yourself, or you could call a company like Insight to take care of that problem for you. My random fact is banging your head against the wall burns 150 calories per hour. And my quote is, "If you ain't first, you're last," from Ricky Bobby. In this section, you will learn how to take a payment from a customer over the phone and also how to update their APay information. What is taking a payment? Taking a payment is processing a customer's credit card or ACH banking info on file for services that have been performed. This can be done automatically on APay or manually upon the customer's request. So why is taking a payment so important? Well, firstly, it's one of the primary responsibilities of a CSR to collect revenue for the company. Secondly, by collecting payments, it keeps the customer's account and service current, which means their warranty stays intact. Before processing a payment, we need to update or confirm a credit card or ACH on file first. You can do this by clicking on the service setup on the main profile of an account. Once in the service setup, you can click the yellow edit button at the top of the screen. Towards the bottom of the page, you can verify an existing credit card already on file, update the card, or completely delete the card on the customer's account. If the customer needs to update their credit card information, click on the edit button next to the credit card number. After you click edit, a box will pop up where you can update the credit card number and the expiration date. Once you have entered that new information in, you can click on update credit card. Once the new credit card is updated, you need to click the Save button at the top of the service setup to retain the new credit card information on the customer's file. A similar process is used to update ACH, which stands for Automated Clearinghouse. This is what you would update if a customer wanted to pay using their bank account. Click on ACH towards the bottom of the service setup. Then enter the customer's routing and bank account number. Then once again click Save at the top of the service setup to retain the new banking information, just like you would when saving a credit card. In order to process an ACH payment, you would need to forward this to your team lead. Once the credit card information is verified or updated, you are ready to process a payment. First, click on Payment on the main screen of a customer's account profile at the bottom of the page. Click Yes when prompted to process a credit card. Doing this will take you to another screen. Next, you want to click on a blue hyperlink that says Create New Batch. After clicking on Create New Batch, this will take you to the payment entry screen. Next, you want to click on the ... button next to the invoice box. After clicking on the ... button, it will bring you to another pop-up where you can enter the payment amount in the top left corner. After you enter a payment amount, you can click on the Auto Apply button to apply that payment to an invoice number on the account. And then you would simply click Save. Once you have saved the payment, you want to click on the credit card that you would like to use to process the payment. In this example, it's a Visa ending in 3442. A pop-up box will appear called Process Credit Card. You want to click the Process button to charge the credit card. At this point, the card on file will either process or decline. If the charge does go through, you will be taken to a screen where you have the option to print or email a receipt. You want to type in the customer's email address if it is not already populated and click OK to email the receipt. Once you have emailed a customer's receipt, you want to hit the yellow exit button at the top of the screen, which will take you to a payment batch screen. Releasing the payment batch zeroes out the balance in the account. Click on the release hyperlink next to the payment that you just processed. A box will pop up asking if you'd like to release the payment. You want to click OK. Lastly, the only thing left to do is to add a back-end note on the account that a payment was received. Congratulations, you now know how to process a payment.